Have you ever sat in a classroom feeling completely lost while the teacher moves on? Or maybe you were bored, waiting for everyone else to catch up. What if education could be tailored perfectly to you, moving at your exact pace, focusing on your specific interests? This isn't science fiction anymore. Welcome to the future of personalized education, where AI tutors are poised to completely change how we learn. For centuries, the classroom model has been the standard: one teacher, 30 students, one curriculum. But we all know that a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't really fit anyone perfectly. Each of us has a unique learning style, different strengths, and areas where we need a little extra help. This is where artificial intelligence steps in, not as a cold, distant robot, but as a personal, patient, an incredibly powerful learning companion. So, what exactly is an AI tutor? Imagine a program on your tablet or computer that knows you better than any teacher ever could. It understands that you're a visual learner who loves history, so it explains the fall of the Roman Empire using interactive maps and animated timelines. It knows you struggle with algebra, so it breaks down complex equations into bite-sized, manageable steps, offering endless practice problems and instant feedback until you've mastered them. It never gets tired, never gets frustrated, is available 24/7. These AI systems are powered by machine learning algorithms. As you interact with them, they collect data on your performance. Which questions did you get right? Where did you hesitate? What concepts did you need to review? Using this data, the AI builds a detailed profile of your learning journey. It identifies your knowledge gaps and adapts the curriculum in real time to fill them. If you're acing a topic, it will introduce more challenging material to keep you engaged. If you're struggling, it will provide more foundational support and different ways of looking at the problem. Think about language learning. Instead of just memorizing vocabulary lists, an AI tutor could have a conversation with you. It would correct your pronunciation, suggest better phrasing, and adapt the difficulty of the conversation based on your fluency. Or consider coding. An AI tutor can analyze your code as you write it, pointing out errors and suggesting more efficient solutions, acting like a senior developer mentoring a junior programmer. This level of personalization is something a human teacher, no matter how dedicated, simply can't provide to a large group of students simultaneously. The potential benefits are enormous. Students who feel left behind can get the one-on-one attention they need to catch up and build confidence. Gifted students can accelerate their learning, exploring advanced topics that wouldn't be covered in a standard curriculum. This could dramatically reduce learning disparities and unlock the potential of every single student. But wait, does this mean we're about to see schools close down and teachers become obsolete? Not so fast. The rise of AI tutors doesn't necessarily mean the end of classrooms, but rather a transformation of their role. The classroom of the future might look very different. Instead of a teacher lecturing at the front of the room, imagine a facilitator, a mentor, moving around a space where students are working independently with their AI tutors. In this model, the AI handles the direct instruction, the drilling, and the rote memorization. This frees up the human teacher to focus on what they do best, fostering critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and emotional intelligence. Teachers can lead group projects, facilitate debates, and provide mentorship and emotional support. They can help students connect what they're learning to the real world, nurture their curiosity, and develop essential social skills things an AI can't easily replicate. How is this data being used? Who owns it? We need to establish strong regulations to protect student privacy and prevent the misuse of this sensitive information. And what about the AI itself? We have to be vigilant about bias in the algorithms. An AI is trained on biased data. It could perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities in education. Developing fair, transparent, and ethical AI is crucial for this revolution to be a positive one. Finally, we need to completely rethink teacher training. Teachers will need to become proficient in using these new technologies, interpreting the data provided by AI tutors, and adapting their teaching methods to a more facilitative role. It's a huge shift in their professional identity, and they'll need support and resources to make that transition successfully. So, will AI tutors replace classrooms? The answer is probably no, but they will almost certainly revolutionize them. AI will be the engine of this personalization, while human teachers will be the heart, guiding students and nurturing the skills that make us uniquely human.